Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bells so you get all the alerts so when I upload new videos. I'm using the TGIN Rose waterline and it was my first time using this product in this video, so this is the first impressions as well. My hair is fully washed using the shampoo from the line as well as deep conditioned using the hair mask. And all that's in my hair right now is the leave-in conditioner. I like applying my leave-in conditioner right in the shower when my hair is soaking wet. I'll leave other videos down in the description bar of where I show you guys how I apply my leave-in conditioner when I wash my hair. So I'm just going through and raking the product in. Right here you guys can see I have a knot. I've been getting a lot of knots in my hair recently, so it's time for a trim. But I'm just working that knot out. I'm taking my time. As you guys can see, you don't want to force it, you don't want to rip your hair out, and that's why I really like finger detangling my hair, because I feel like when I finger detangle I could definitely feel those knots and it's not being ripped through with a comb or a brush, because you know when your hair is wet is the most fragile state. I'm going to the next section now and I'm applying the gel right to the hair, and then I'm just working it in and I'm just separating the hair to make sure everything is fully detangled and applied. Y'all, this gel is giving me so much definition, okay? So much definition. So if you're new to my channel or new to my natural hair videos, I love applying product to my hair when my hair is soaking wet. My wash and goes have to be soaking wet, okay? Soaking wet.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up, and he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me,
and you guys see here's another snag in my hair, another knot that I'm working through. I've definitely made an appointment to get my hair ends trimmed, okay? I was tempted to do it myself, but I'm not even gonna put myself through that, because as you guys can see I have a good bit of length right now and I don't want to take too much off by doing it myself, because I feel like every time I do it myself I take too much off, and I'm just cutting out all of the progress. Same process throughout my whole hair. I'm just reactivating the leave-in conditioner and I'm just applying the gel to make sure my hair is definitely fully detangled. So I have this 360 water bottle and I'm just soaking my hair down and I'm just working in, like reactivating the leave-in conditioner that's already in my hair. And now I'm just applying the gel to that section and I'm doing the same steps. I follow the same steps throughout my hair. And y'all, when I'm doing my wash and goes, I do not rush for nothing. I do it on my days off and I take my time. I never try to wash my hair when I don't have a lot of time to actually give it everything that it needs, because when your hair is wet, it's the most fragile time. And especially with natural hair, y'all, our hair is so fragile. Like, especially mine. My strands are really fine strands. So I definitely have to be extra careful and take my time while styling my hair. So right now my hair has been air drying for about 5 hours and I'm just going in with the diffuser to make sure that it's fully dried before I go to bed. And y'all, you guys can see how defined my hair is. Super defined. Okay, this gel definitely defined my hair. Alright guys, so I know the sound in here is not the best, but I just diffused it. I feel like there's still some wet spots like in this general back area, but nothing that I can't really sleep on. I will say that it doesn't have much luster for me like I like, but my favorite from the line so far is the hydrating hair mask. This is my favorite. My hair felt so soft and so moisturized after like washing it out. Definitely felt that difference. I don't know if I used too much of the gel. I'm not too sure what went wrong, but I'm gonna have like a little bit of white residue here and a little bit on this side in the very front. But again, my hair doesn't really have much luster with this product, much shine. So I'll add a little bit of oil or something just to break up the gel cast and just to give it a little bit of shine. But I'm not mad at it at all. But I did not keep this product because on day 2 I saw a lot of flaking and I just didn't like the feel of my hair, the texture that it was giving me from the gel. My hair just felt super dry. That is definitely a no-go for me. So I returned it. But just because it did not work for me does not mean it's not going to work for you. I believe it's all about the technique of how you apply the product to your hair. You know? So thank you guys once again for all the support on the channel, all the love with the vlogs. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
All who did not know me when I done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.